The Morgana DigiFold Ultra delivers one-pass cutting, creasing, slitting, and perforating for your extra-long sheets. Creases and folds up to 6,000 8.5 by 11-inch sheets per hour. From menus, perforated tickets, and coupons, this system effortlessly finishes a vast range of professional applications. Enjoy professional creasing and folding with flawless full bleed capabilities. The system features a dedicated belt stacker for folded sheets and a separate tray for crease-only jobs. Operation is simple with a highly automated and user-friendly display. Experience automated full bleed trimming on sheets up to 51 inches long. Enhance your finish with up to 5 inline perforation or scoring wheels. Eliminate touch points and stop the bottleneck: one machine, zero waste, and a finished product in every pass.